Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon. Today I'm going to start off the vlog today. I'm just going to head to a client of mine, a good friend of mine. He just needs help with his vehicle. He found out that his CV axle, the CV boot, was ripped, and it's starting to. When every time he turns left or right, it's like cracking sound. So I told him that that needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna take you with me and show you how I diagnose or replace CV axle. So if you haven't tuned in yet, please tune in. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification, and we'll do this journey together. And that way, you have an idea of what to do, how to replace a CV axle. Yeah. So on for today's vlog.
It's a nice surprise.
Oh yeah. Good document.
Okay, so I didn't. Sorry, I didn't get all the footage out of it. Um, what it is uh, whatever the fluid came out on the automatic transmission. Always remember when amount of automatic transmission comes out. That's how much you put back in. I didn't record it because I had to remove intake manifold or in the filter box. Sorry, and it showed Leon. That's the guy who was I was working with. It was his personal car. Um, where to put the oil, cause or transmission, because if there's any chance that there might be low fluid, it won't. The engine won't. The transmission won't run properly. So I just told him that he was not aware about it, but now he is. And the other point is, did a test drive. Everything was good. He was happy. I'm good. I'm happy with that also. And yeah, that's pretty much it. How I do when I work around cars. I enjoy it. It's my passion. And yeah. Anyways, yeah. Put a comment down below if you want to know anything else. I would briefly. I would love to show you guys how I do it personally. But anyways, I'm going to wrap up the video. Um, yeah. Anyways, stay fly. Peace.